Hi, my name is Mike Galli. I'm also from Alley Gardener's Lab, and I want to give everyone sort of a report on how itch went for the summer of 2024 and some of what we found. So in Maine, we're approaching itch in sort of a 3-year block, and our main goals for itch right now are to look at the landscape features and try and identify how those could predict tick density. And we're also trying to test the effectiveness of beta-cyfluthrin as a tick control pesticide. Now, Maine's a little bit weird. We're a lot different than other places in New England. One of the reasons is that our properties are really big. Our median property is larger than 5 acres. Our largest was over 100 acres. And Maine's tick densities are not uniform over the state. As you can see, this is ticks that were sent into UMaine Extension, and that's just about where our study sites are. So we're really studying the edge of where real dense tick populations are in Maine. Last year, we sampled 40 residential properties, and for those, who really only did the landscape features. This year, we upped it to 57 properties, and this year's the first year we've started the spraying. None of our properties previously were treated for any kind of tick control for the past 3 years, and the reason that we wanted completely clean properties is because we did the treatments ourselves. At Maine, we are registered as pest control professionals, and we were able to actually spray Tempo SC Ultra, which is an off-the-shelf product that uses beta-cyfluthrin as its active ingredient. Beta-cyfluthrin isn't the most common tick pesticide in Maine. That's bifenthrin, but we wanted our itch work to be future focused, and upcoming PFAS legislation means that bifenthrin might not be as available in Maine in the future. So we applied it to 27 different properties, and we only treated each property once in mid-June. We were, over the summer, able to get over 1,000 ticks from all of our properties, and the treated properties had about 50% less ticks on them than the untreated properties. And the spot we really noticed that treatment take effect was in zones A and B, that orange and yellow zone. Both of those reduced ticks densities by just about 70%. The other thing we noticed over the time scale of the summer is that where untreated properties had this big jump in black-legged tick nymphs in early to mid-July, treated properties didn't get that jump. To sort of orient this graph, each of these dots are the average of all the properties we sampled that day. So each of these dots is the average of like 3 to 4 properties that we sampled that day. And you can see that just mid-July, we just really jumped up in the number of ticks. So because of sort of not having that big jump, we're really excited. We think the product might be working, and I'll be happy to take any questions.